This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very cheap rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how you can create custom signature for your hosting your emails. First, I go to google.com and type mail.hostinger. I click on the first link. Now here I type my email address and password and click on login. Now the email has been opened, and on the left hand side I look for settings and identities. I click on that. I click on the email. In the right hand side bottom you can look for signature. So we are going to create a signature for my email. For that, first I go to chatgpt.com and type email signature templates. I click on search. Now a list of templates has been generated by ChatGPT. You can look for creative signatures, corporate styles and more. Now I select the minimalistic style. I copy the code and paste in the signature field. Now I change the name and email address, website address and my contact number. After completing this, I simply click on save. Now it is successfully saved, and I go to compose. Now you can see at the bottom of the page you can see the signature. Now I sent an email to my Gmail address. Subject as email signature and content as welcome to signature for emails. Now I click on send. You can see that our signature is successfully sent to my Gmail address. So in this way you can create custom signatures using this one. You can also look for how to create a free email for your hosting your website in 2025 using the I button which is given above. Thank you.